So they say that the best way to body check yourself is to, be overtaken by joy, to be filled with joy, So, what's a good way? I mean, you have me learning how to tune into the frequency of your sound, and then acting based on that frequency, So, what am I learning? Watch your step. Come on. So, for a body check, how's your body feel when you come down from that? I haven't felt this aligned in a while. Is my upper body possessed? Am I possessing my upper body? Am I possessing my upper body? Come on. Upper body, lower body. Lower body. Feel the weight. Feel it all lifting off of you. Just dance a little. That's the whole point of this. Be present. Look at your legs. Look at your feet. Look at every aspect of yourself. Measure yourself. Check your body. This is how I started. Just walked around. Didn't even know why. All day like this. Exaggeration in some sense, but others, very true. But thanks for your time, man. Hopefully you guys got a little dance in there too, and we're able to vent energetically in the old ways. You feel me?